Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a recovery contact. Once confirmed, start by picking an MFA method. Open your account security settings on the PC. Sign in when prompted. Make sure your Authenticator app is installed on your phone or have your hardware security key ready. Click Add Security Info or set up two-step verification. Follow the wizard to link an Authenticator app or register a key. This initial setup saves time later, so complete these first steps before moving into configuration. Once the wizard displays a QR code, open your Authenticator app and scan it. If using a hardware key, insert and tap per prompts. Enter the 6-digit code shown or confirm the key registration. This verifies the link between your PC account and the second factor. Name the device so you recognize it in future. Then, set at least one backup option: phone, SMS, alternate email, or printed recovery codes, to avoid lockout if your primary method becomes unavailable. Finish by testing a full sign-in flow. Sign out, then sign in with your password and provide the second factor. Save recovery codes in a secure place, password manager or locked physical copy, and revoke old sessions that bypass MFA. Make sure device time is correct. If codes fail, sync clock on phone and PC. If you get locked out, use a recovery code or alternate contact. If necessary, reach out to an admin to reset MFA. This closes setup and prevents future access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.